Hey everyone, today, we're talking about an awesome way to make $10,000 a month in Forex without doing all the hard work. It's called copy trading, and we're going to break down how you can do it step by step. What is copy trading? First off, what's copy trading? It's like having a trading buddy. You follow what successful traders do without having to be an expert yourself. Perfect for those who want in on trading without the complicated stuff. Choosing the right trader. Start by picking the right trader to follow. Not all traders are winners, so do a bit of research. Look for traders with a good track record. Find links to the best brokers in the description box below. Advantages of copy trading. Now, let's talk about why copy trading is so cool. 1. Access expert knowledge. Imagine getting the wisdom of experienced traders without studying for years. Copying those means you instantly use their smart moves. 2. Time saver. Copy trading does all the hard work for you. No need to spend hours analyzing stuff. You can focus on your life while your money grows thanks to the smart decisions of the experts. 3. Learning platform. While you're making $10,000 a month, you're also learning. Watching the trades of the pros helps you understand strategies and market stuff. 4. Reduced risk. Worried about making big mistakes? Copying successful traders lowers the risk. It's like having a safety net for your money. 5. Diversification made easy. Normally, making a balanced portfolio is tough, but copy trading lets you spread your money across different traders. Even if you don't have a ton of cash, you can still play the field. 6. Emotional detachment. Emotions can mess up trades. Copy trading takes out the emotional part. Trades happen automatically, following the expert's plan, keeping you cool and collected. 7. Convenient accessibility. Copy trading is super easy now. There are platforms that anyone can use. They're user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech genius, you can start copying trades in minutes. Managing expectations and risks. However, it's not always a smooth journey. Remember, while copy trading is awesome, you need to be realistic and know the risks involved. Check out credible traders and diversify your investments. So, there you have it. With a bit of prep and understanding, copy trading can help you make serious money, whether you're a newbie or a pro. Don't forget to check out the links below in the description box to open your account with the best brokers. Good luck and happy trading. Now, you don't need anyone's help to invest your money. Start investing your money yourself and your choices. The matter is in your hands. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more simple guides. Thanks for hanging out, and see you in the next one.